Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord where we're giving free signals. The link of our Discord and Telegram is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today another green day. Yes, the market doesn't move and also we haven't entered, but at least after that big drop here, we see a green day. It happened in Saturday. That, man, it doesn't matter if it's green or yellow or whatever, because market today is flat. Those ones, they are just retail traders. The retail traders, they started buying. They're thinking of maybe the Bitcoin it will go up. But guys, I will not be very good, a very bad view. But look at it here. What you see? What did you see here? Market tried to give you here a double up here. You see it or no? Yes, still now we haven't broken down here that level here or the neckline here, but that one is bad things because the Bitcoin couldn't break the last high here. Look at it very clear that the last high, the Bitcoin is go back, because when you are in a trend, the market, what is giving you? High, low, high, low, high. Yes or no? But what the Bitcoin give you here? It came from down, give you a high, low. Technically, it need to give you another high. Yes or no? But when it came to that level, he couldn't give you another high. That means he fall down now. Now for us to know the market it will reverse, only if it's breaking that level here. Yes or no? That technical analysis. Fundamental Bitcoin is still looking very, very great. We are going to show it to you today. But technical analysis, Bitcoin is showing to us is going to fall down. Yes, our indicator is touch here, the oversold area, and that one is very, very special indicator with special setting. When it touch oversold area, it's very, very high chance we're going to see a reverse. So now we enter long. For long-term trading, us we be in, they say, slowly by slowly, we buy from here 25%, from here 25%, from here 25% from our capital, and down here I told you if it fall down here, we are going to buy 25%. I showed it to you in yesterday's video, I don't need to repeat everything. If it fall down more, I'm going to show you where to buy again, because me personally, I'm believing all the drop is the last leg before the major push up. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let me show you some ancient data, what it's telling us till now. All is going there. The first one, guys, as you remember, people they've been with us, they remember that one stock flow. As you see it, the color is getting dark and dark and dark. Also, we are very close to become from blue to very close to red blue. Let's make it like that. And you are very, very, very close to the halving cycle, guys. So me, I thinking, me personally, that's what I'm thinking. All that leg will happen now is just a manipulation from the market before it pushing up. Maybe yes, maybe not. Me, that one I follow it by all my eye, all my heart. That one when it become blue here, I started buying. I don't care what the market doing. I don't care about nothing. Even you, I want you to do the same thing, but it's up to you. So I think picture is too clear here. Now we're going to show you the other one. That one here is the funding rate. As you see it, we see last time here a red, and over here we see a red. Yes, that red here, it's not that big, very small, but the market it fall down too much. We don't know why. And look at it here, the trend line here, as we're talking about. You see it or no? It's getting broke here, as you see it. Now what shall we do? Till now there is nothing. We need to wait in a green candle to go back to break the 200 moving average in the daily. If it's not, there is no entry long now. We will wait in just a correction and we will enter a short again. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now, let's go to see the other one. That one here, I showed it to you before. As you see it, look at it. I want to show you something very, very important here. Look here. Look at that place here. Also, we're thinking that the bottom, then the Bitcoin is push up. Then it happened that leg here, that in 2017. Now the same thing. All the people, they thinking, also we bottom. Now it happened that big leg here. The only thing the leg will happen here is bigger to that one which happened in Thursday. So what that telling us, maybe us we are very close to the bottom, maybe not, but that indicator here, it telling us you need to start buying. Not said that the only thing, as you see it, historical, that what he doing. Every time he enter here, it's been a very, very, very high chance for you to buy. Same thing now. Now let's go into see Bitcoin, what it doing today in the 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. As you see in the 4 hours, same thing. Bitcoin, he tried to give us here a price action. But till now there is nothing, so us we will waiting. For swing traders, if it give us here a price action, we will enter long and we will go with it. Being telling you that. But till now there is nothing, so us we are waiting. Being telling you that the falling knife touch the floor. It need to bounce to give you here a price action for us to enter long. Till now there is nothing, so there is no entry long. We need to wait more till the right time. Let's see our indicator what it's telling us. That one here, as you see it, it touch here the oversold area. Now we try to go back. There is no entry unless if it's breaking here, that level here, and it give us here a price action. Because it might from here, it will come like that, then it will dip again to give you a divergence or something. And the divergence will be more than deep than that one. So you need to be careful, guys. There is nothing yet. I mean, I'm talking here about swing traders. There is nothing yet. We need to wait more till the right time. Because you are not in a place where is the bears they controlling. You are in a place where is the big whales they controlling now. You are in a deep downtrend, so it's not possible now to enter long unless if you don't know what you're doing. Just wait till the right time. Everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, same thing. Also we are here at the oversold area level. Also we are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone, but till now there is no price action. We need to wait till the right time, because as you see that big squeeze, that big falling down, there is nothing yet. The only thing you can enter long if the market came and breaking above here. As you see it is still very, very, very far away from it, so there is nothing till now. Me personally, I'm thinking the market is going to give us here in a price action, a new price action here for us to enter long. And also we are waiting every day. Also we analyze for you, and you, if you don't support us, go now, pause the video, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here, also we've been waiting now. As you see it, I told you yesterday we got here a trend line. A trend line here, as you see it. The top one is getting broke, but also we haven't entered in it because the top one is used to be here like that. As you see it, it's getting broke here, held here. But also we don't want to enter because as majority of you didn't know, Saturday and Sunday also we don't trade. Till now we got here a very, very, very clear triangle here, as you see it, or the peanut here, as I showed you yesterday, because the peanut, as you see it, it's coming from the top. If it's a peanut, that means it's a continuation pattern, is going to drop more. If it's breaking up, we are going to see the market reversing up, but till now, not yet. Me, I'm thinking personally, till tomorrow Sunday, the market is going to stay sideways here. Till Monday, they were going to see a major move. Till now, us we still waiting what the market is going to tell us. It's our indicator what it's saying, guys. That's why me, I told you don't enter in it. As you see that one here, it's enter to over bought area. So if you enter from here to here, you will just pay in the brokers. You don't earn nothing. That's what me, I told you. Saturday and Sunday there is no trading. Also we are waiting now till the market is showing us a very clear price action, breaking up or breaking down, and the volatility to come back, because till now there is no volatility as you see it. The market no volume here, so it's very dangerous to enter now, because if you enter now, you're going to get stuck between the market sideways here. The market will not move anywhere. So I think picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.